A modern, well-trained police force, one of the oldest and most respected in Europe, certain to become a reference in the future. That is what we are now. But where did we come from? Where does our story begin? We were born in Bik 300 years ago. During a period of constant war and armed conflict, when thieves, smugglers and highwaymen wandered freely around the villages and forests of Catalonia. This was when the first squadrons of armed civilians were formed. These were people who knew the land well and were excellent fighters. They came up against growing activity by bandits and the constant dangers of the time, but nevertheless managed to reduce crime and to bring a greater feeling of security to our country. The 19th century was a time of turmoil for the Mossos d'Esquadra as an institution, a period of constant disillusions and restorations, but also a time when the courage and honor of those first officers ensured that the flame, the guiding principle of serving society, was never quite extinguished. In this way then, the Mossos d'Esquadra gradually became an indispensable and irreplaceable body in a changing society that loved and understood its police force. This deeply rooted understanding enabled the force to survive all adversities. After the proclamation of the Second Republic, the Mossos were given increased powers and came under the direct authority of the Generalitat or Government of Catalonia. When the Spanish Civil War broke out, the Mossos protected cultural goods, national heritage, and above all, people. At the end of the Civil War, the Franco dictatorship abolished the Catalan police. However, once more, this abolition was not final, as years later Barcelona Provincial Council permitted a symbolic revival of the force. After the restoration of democracy, the Catalan government once more received powers over the Mossos d'Esquadra. This planted the seed of what would become Catalonia's modern new police force, the construction of a national model of security based on service to people, and the full deployment of this key Catalan institution. Women and men at the service of our country, members of a prestigious police force recognized for its constant innovation and specialization, a modern, democratic, constantly growing body. Mossos d'Esquadra, ready to play their roles excellently as part of a police force history, both present and future.